today we are going to do enterprise. And what is there in enterprise? It is in enterprise. It is there that one. Just I am giving you. Just I am giving you in short. Background noise is coming. Background noise is coming. I don't want you people. I don't want to mute you people. But I don't want background noise also. So, in this unit of means I can say that some summary of unit in one line. This is that one who will and dare. Success comes to those who will and dare. Here, success comes to those who will and dare. One line summary of this unit is success comes to those who will and dare. So there is a story. And in this story, we will read story of two seeds. And two seeds. And which of two seeds are there? One is ready to fight all the obstacle, and one waits for favorable time. So what happened to both? What happens to both of the? What happened to both of the seed? We will learn this. Okay. So Sushant, you wanted to start na reading? Yes, start.
Yes, ma'am.
So start.
Chapter 3 Enterprises Introduction. Read the story Risking and decide which of the two seeds is an enterprising one. Risking. Two seeds lay side by side in the fertile spring soil. The first seed said, I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil beneath me and thrust my sprouts through the earth's crust above me. I want to unfurl my tender buds like banners to announce the arrival of spring. I want to feel the warmth of the sun on my face and the blessing of the morning dew on my petals. And so she grew.
Just a minute. So two seeds are there. They are laying in the same type of fertile soil. Spring season is there, and in that season, both of the seeds are there. So one seed, the first seed is there, and it says that I want to grow. I want to. Why my voice is echoing?
Your voice is echoing.
So should I mute? Okay, I am muting all. Those who will read will unmute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I have allowed you to unmute yourself. So first seed says, I want to grow. I want to send my root deep into the soil beneath me and thrust my sprouts through the earth crust above me. I want to unfold my tender words like banners to announce the arrival of spring. I want to feel the warmth of the sun on my face and the blessing of the morning dew on my petals. So the first seed is very much positive and is ready to take risk, and so it decides to sprout. It decides to become a means first seed sprouts. After that, it becomes seedling, then it goes to plant, then tree. In this way, journey of a tree start, seed start, and finally grows into a big tree. Next.
The second seed said, I am afraid. If I send my
The
roots
second
into
seed
the
said,
ground,
I am
below,
afraid.
Just
I
If
don't
I
know
send
what
my
I will
roots into the
encounter
ground
in the
below.
dark.
First one has started, second one should stop. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
The one who started first will continue. Good
The
morning.
second seed said, I am afraid. If I send my roots into the ground below, I don't know what I will encounter in the dark. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. What if I let my buds open and a snail tries to eat them? And if I were to open my blossoms, a small child may pull me from the ground. No, it is much better for me to wait until it is safe. And so she waited. Yard and scratching around in the early spring ground for food, found the waiting seed and promptly ate it.
So what happened? The second seed, the first seed grew. The first seed was ready to accept all the challenges of life, so it grew. But second seed, it wanted to wait for a favorable condition, so it didn't get a favorable condition. It was eaten up by a yard hen. So what is the moral? Those of us who refuse to risk and grow get swallowed up by life. Means there is no favorable time. If you will not take risk, you will not survive. Now, should we do question? Second point is there. Use the adjective given below to identify the qualities of the two seeds. First seed. What was first seed? Bold. Timid. Who was timid?
Bold.
Yeah. Who was timid?
Second seed.
Second seed.
Who was apprehensive? You may use dictionary also if you want. Okay, can you do it yourself? Apprehensive is there, determined is there. Who was determined? First seed. Who was apprehensive? First seed. Who was weak? Second seed was weak. Who was courageous?
First seed.
Who was enterprising?
First seed.
Yeah.
First.
So
You repeat it.
why do you want to? Who was bold?
First seed.
Who was timid?
Second seed.
Who was apprehensive?
Second seed.
Who was determined?
First seed.
Who was courageous?
First seed.
Who was weak?
Second seed.
Who was enterprising?
First seed.
Yeah. Do you people have dictionary with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier when we did classroom teaching, if those who know me well must be knowing that it was mandatory for all the students to keep dictionary with them. So apprehensive, there was doubt what can you tell me what is the meaning of apprehensive?
Ma'am, fearful that
One is
something
fear that a
unpleasant
bad
would
thing
happen.
will happen.
Yeah. Apprehensive means you anticipate that something wrong will happen. So, which seed thought that something wrong will happen?
Ma'am, second seed.
Second seed.
Yeah. Only one word was there that apprehensive, or rest of the words are very easy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, add a few more to the list. You are the first, second. We are doing question number 3. You are the first seed, which is now a plant. What advice would you give to another baby seed so as not to meet the second seed's fate? So 2 seeds were there. First seed took risk and grew into a plant. So the first seed feel very bad for the second seed, and now the first seed want to give some message to the other seed so that they should not be eaten up by the life. They are not, so that they are not destroyed. So what message you will give to the other seed?
You should take risks in the life and don't.
Yeah, we should be positive. I think
One who would not take risk in the life would be swallowed by the life. So
you
for
can,
success, we must keep one step ahead.
yes. We should not think negative. We should analyze and think of positive. If you will always think of negative, what will happen? Suppose that you are on your
they
bed.
will become narrow-minded.
If you are on bed and you think that if I will step down, I may fall. कभी कभी होता है ना, गिर जाते हैं. तो अगर कभी गिर जाते हैं तो उसके कारण क्या हम चलना छोड़ देंगे? नहीं ना छोड़ेंगे. सेम थिंग इज देयर. वी शुड थिंक. तो हम लोग तो पॉजिटिव, हम लोग क्यों नहीं चलना छोड़ते हैं? क्योंकि हम लोग पॉजिटिव सोचते हैं. हम लोग चीजों को एनालाइज करते हैं. अब ऐसा नहीं कि पॉजिटिव सोच के ऐसी कुछ चीजें कर लेनी चाहिए जो डेंजरस हो, बट वी शुड analyze and we should think positive and we should get ready to face obstacle. अगर ये सोचेंगे छोड़ो अब एग्जाम देंगे तो मार्क्स कम आएगा, फेल करेंगे, उससे बेटर है कि एग्जाम ही नहीं दे, तो ऐसा सोच के तो तुम पढ़ोगे ही नहीं. You will not read at all. So if you will think no, I will read, I will get 90% and above. Okay, if your target is 90%, you may get 90% better, or you may get 85%. But what if you do not appear in the exam? Isn't it? So you can answer it in very short. I think you should think positive, because success comes to those who will and dare. यहाँ पे विल का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पे विल का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम लोग मॉडल्स विल मॉडल में यूज करते हैं ना, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हियर द मीनिंग ऑफ विल इज इच्छा शक्ति. It has been, will has been used as a main verb. Understood?
Yes,
Are you people listening me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अब हम लोग इसके आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is there in next question? Next question is A1. Match the profession with the challenges. Profession. What is a doctor? डॉक्टर का चैलेंज क्या होता है?
With life and death.
Dealing with
life or death
situations.
Very good. Teacher.
Dealing with life or death situations.
So doctor deals with life and death.
Imparting knowledge
Imparting
and
knowledge and
inculcating right values.
inculcating right values.
Very good.
Imparting knowledge and include right values.
Inculcating. Right, imparting knowledge and inculcating right values. कोई भी टीचर गलत बात तो नहीं किसी भी स्टूडेंट को बताते हैं ना. So inculcating right values. ठीक है? Policeman.
Tracing hard
Society.
कोई एक बोलो ना.
Tracing
One by one.
tracing hardcore enemies of the society.
Yeah, tracing hardcore enemies of the society. Businessman.
Evolving strategies to
Evolving strategies to improve sales and profits.
Evolving strategies to improve sales and profits.
Yeah. Businessman हो गया. Fashion designer.
creating new and
New and original designs.
New and original designs.
Journalist.
Capturing harsh realities of life, even at a risk of one's life.
Realities of life, even at a risk to one's life.
Very good. Scientist.
Discovering new theories for the benefits of mankind.
Benefit of mankind.
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Now, next is read the poem Listen about a blacksmith's boy who set out to capture the rainbow. Who will start?
Ma'am,
Okay. One girl spoke, ma'am. I think
Yes,
two
ma'am.
boys read. Two boys read. Now it's time for girl. Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
The blacksmith's boy went out with a rifle and a black dog running behind. Cobwebs snatched at his feet. Rivers hindered him. Thorn branches caught his eyes to make him blind. And the sky turned into an unlucky opal.
Stop. Okay. Two difficult words are there. First is cobwebs. Second is cobwebs, and second is opal. What is the meaning of cobwebs?
Spiders web, especially when old and dusty.
Especially when
Spider web, especially when old and dusty.
Yeah. So cobweb is spiders, old spiders web. And what is opal?
A precious stone in which changes of colors are seen.
A white precious stone in which changes of color are seen. So, a story of a blacksmith. He has decided, blacksmith boy who has decided to do something, and he is ready to meet all the. He is ready to overcome all the obstacles. So many things he gets. So what happens when he comes out of his? He comes out for his destination. He is having a rifle in his hand, and now the whole world is ready to challenge him, and he is forced to meet all the obstacles. But what he does, whether he what happened? I had muted everyone. you unmuted yourself, and I have told if you are in a safe place where no other noise is there, then only you unmute yourself. So reverse, even he cobwebs snatches at his feet, reverse hinders him, thorny branches caught his eyes to make him blind, and the sky turned into an unlucky opal. Means a hindrance from sky side is also there. Students are still waiting. Let me. I have admitted. Okay. Next.
But he didn't mind. I can break branches. I can swim rivers. I can stare out of any spider I meet, said he to his dog and his rifle.
He has a, just a minute, he has a dog also. Dog and rifle. Both were
dog and a rifle.
So he was ready to face any challenge of life. Next.
The
blacksmith's boy went over the paddock.
Just now it's boy's turn.
The blacksmith's boy.
One student, if someone starts reading, it's duty of others. Let him complete. I am giving you chance. I will be giving chance to everyone. Okay, start.
The blacksmith's boy went over the paddocks with his old black hat on his head. Mountains jumped in his way, rocks rolled down on him, and the old crow cried, "You will soon be dead." And the rain came down like mattocks, but he only said, "I can climb mountains, I can dodge rocks, I can shoot an old crow any day."
And he went on over the paddock.
And he went on over the paddocks.
So what is the blacksmith? He was not disheartened by any of the adverse situation. What is the meaning of paddocks?
A small place
where heroes are kept.
Horses are kept.
Fields where horses are kept.
Horses are kept. Mattocks
Means stable.
yeah.
An agriculture
field.
tool shaped like
An
a
agricultural tool shaped like a pickaxe.
Pickaxe.
Below.
To cover him from all
Cover
sides.
from all sides.
Very good. So have you people, what is the way to write? Suppose that difficult words are there now. You should write right at the place. You okay. Uday, he raised a hand. What was the name he wanted to read? Okay. So let me explain, then you will start reading. One.
मैम डॉज मतलब क्या होता है?
डॉज मतलब धोखा दे देना. जैसे होता है ना, हम उसको डॉज दे दिए, मतलब किसी भी कोई
बिना कुछ
डॉज देना जनरली नेगेटिव सेंस में आता है, बट he is used, the poet has used this in positive sense. He was dodging the obstacles. वो सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स को धोखा दे करके निकल गया, बुरी परिस्थितियों को धोखा दे करके निकल रहा है. अंडरस्टूड?
सबसे बच के निकल जा रहा है.
हाँ, यहाँ पे वैसे होता है कि जैसे किसी के मतलब अगर कोई तुम्हारा फ्रेंड तुम पे ट्रस्ट कर रहा है और तुम जो है सो उसको धोखा दे दिया, दैट इज नोन एज डॉज. तो जनरली डॉज को हम लोग निगेटिव सेंस में यूज करते हैं, बट हियर द पोएट हैज यूज्ड इट द वर्ड इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव सेंस, बिकॉज द ब्लैकस्मिथ्स बॉय is dodging the obstacles. Okay. Should I explain or it's over? रीडिंग स्टार्ट करोगे या एक्सप्लेन कर दूं इस पैराग्राफ को? चलो कर ही देती हूँ. द ब्लैक हाँ, the blacksmith's boy went over the paddocks. Okay, you know the meaning of paddocks? Means you can say stable-like place. With his old black hat on his head. What was he having? One black hat. Mountains jumps in his way. Means mountain cannot jump. क्या mountain jump कर सकते हैं? No. Here personification is there. यहाँ पे देखो एक figure of speech यूज हुआ है. Personify किया गया. हाँ, mountain personify किया गया है. Rock roll down on him. Rock अपने तो roll नहीं करता है ना. It has been also personified. Some outside is force needs a rock to roll. Okay, and the old crow cries, "You will soon be dead." हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, old crow का जो cry होता है, that is considered as ill omen. घर पे भी अगर देखे होगे पहले ग्रैंडमा लोग हैं तो बोलते हैं. अब now the crows are not so common. अब तो crows दिखता ही नहीं है ना. पहले होता था कि काला कौवा अगर छत पे कौवा बोल रहा है तो वो कंसीडर किया जाता था कि नहीं ये इल ओमेन है, वो गलत संकेत है, तो उसको हटा दो. तो यहाँ पे वही दिखा रहा है कि ओल्ड क्रो जो कहा है वो he is warning him that you will soon be dead. तुम मारे जाओगे. And the rain came down like mattocks. बारिश, rain is also disturbing him. Now what is the mattocks? But he only said, but he is not disheartened. वो ऐसा नहीं सोच रहा है कि इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम है, छोड़ो, leave it. Why should I bother? I was safe at my home. But what did he say? I can climb mountains. I can dodge rocks. मैं माउंटेन को क्लाइंब कर लूंगा. रॉक्स जो कि रोल कर रहे हैं, जो कि मुझे हार्म कर सकते हैं, मैं उनको भी धोखा दे दूंगा. I can shoot an old crow any day. अगर ओल्ड क्रो मुझे मेरे रास्ते से हटाने के लिए, मेरे डिटर्मिनेशन को कम करने के लिए, अगर ओल्ड क्रो भी मेरे रास्ते आता है तो I will kill him also. And he went on over the paddocks. और वो अपने रास्ते चला. Next. हाँ, someone has raised hand and I have told. Start.
मैम लगता है कोई उदय था.
Okay, next should start. जिसने रीडिंग कर ली है वो नहीं करेंगे. Another student can start.
When he came to the end of the day, the sun began falling. Up came the night, ready to swallow him, like the barrel of the gun, like an old black hat, like a black dog hungry to follow him. Then the pigeon, the magpie, and the dove began wailing, and the grass lay down to below him. His rifle broke, his hat flew away, and his dog was gone, and the sun was falling.
So, what is and next Sarthak from 8D will read. He has raised hand. Okay. आप विपुल.
मैम ये पैरा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ना पहले, उसके बाद.
हाँ, I will explain first. So, what happened when he came to the end of the day? The sun began falling. So it's a natural phenomenon. Universal fact. So sun was about to fall, means evening was approaching. Up came the night, ready to swallow him. it's very difficult to do any work at night. है ना? Even we are scared. We people are, we people have facility. पहले तो लाइट नहीं होता था, but आज तो electricity has made our life very easy, but still we are afraid of night. We don't want to do any work at night.
In night.
So it was like a, here once again figure of speech. What is this? This is simile.
नाइट को पर्सोनिफाई किया गया है.
नहीं, came ready to swallow him. हाँ, वहाँ पे ये पर्सोनिफाई किया गया है नाइट को, because it is going to swallow him. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक दूसरा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच
है क्योंकि लाइक यूज किया गया है.
सिमिली है.
लाइक यूज किया गया.
I'm like the barrel of the
gun. मतलब हाँ, उसको नाइट
यहाँ पे मेटाफर का यूज हुआ है.
मैंने तो सिमिली है ना, डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन.
हाँ, ये like an old black hat. Simile, like a black dog hungry to follow him. This is also simile. Then the pigeon, the magpie, and the dove began wailing, and the grass lay down to below him. What is the meaning of below?
Ma'am, to cover
from all sides.
Cover from all sides.
Yeah. So such a bad situation is there. In this bad situation, his rifle broke, his hat flew away, and the dog had also gone. So now he is all alone, nothing with him. He went with three things. He had his hat to protect his head. He had a rifle and he had a dog to accompany him. But now he is having nothing. Sarthak, you may start.
But in the front of the night, the rainbow stood on a mountain. Just as his heart foretold, he ran like a hare, he climbed like a fox. He caught it in his hands, the color and the cold, like a bar of ice, like the column of a fountain, like a ring of gold. The pigeon, the magpie, and the dove flew to stare, and the grass stood up again on the mountain.
But in front of the night, the rainbow stood on the mountain. What he saw? He didn't saw the darkness of the night. He saw brightness. What was brightness? Rainbow. Just as his heart foretold. Foretold means, what is the meaning of tell?
हम पहले बता कुछ बोला.
फोर
मतलब पहले होता है.
भविष्यवाणी. You can say. Foretell means it is, you can say bhavishyavani. Foretold is it is in the past. He ran like a hare. He climbed like a fox. He got it in his hand, the color and the cold, like a bar of ice, like the column of a mountain, like a ring of gold. The pigeon, the magpie, and the dove flew to stare, and the grass stood up